You're faced with a mega problem. Planning a class party, figuring out the total distance of a triathlon, or just trying to get the best deal at the store. It seems overwhelming, but it's not. It's just a series of small puzzles hiding inside a big one. The secret is to solve them one at a time. First, you need a blueprint. Read the problem to understand the goal. Make a plan. First, I'll add the costs, then I'll subtract from my budget. Then execute that plan, step by step, keeping your work neat. Imagine that class party. 5 pizzas at $12.50 each, that's $62.50. 2 juices at $3.75, that's $7.50. Add the chips and you get your total spending. Then subtract from your $100 to find the change. Each calculation is simple on its own. Or what about a race with sections in both kilometers and meters? You can't just add 1.25 kilometers and 850 meters. The units don't match. The rule is critical. Convert everything to the same unit first. Turn 850 meters into 0.85 kilometers. Now you can add them up. At the supermarket, you see 2 packs of notebooks. Is the 5-pack for $7.15 a better deal than the 3-pack for $4.35? Don't guess. Use division to find the unit price, the cost for just one. The 5-pack is $1.43 per notebook, 2 cents cheaper than the other. Finally, always use the magnitude test. It's your common sense check. If your calculation says a bag of apples weighs 125 kilograms, something is wrong. An answer should feel realistic. That tiny decimal point has huge power. Placing it correctly is everything. So break it down, check your units, and ask if it makes sense. That's how you conquer any problem.